Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 231 or open disobedience. Under Article 231, open disobedience is committed by any judicial or executive officer who shall openly refuse to execute the judgment, decision, or order of any superior authority made within the scope of the jurisdiction of the latter and issued with all the legal formalities. May apat na elements itong crime na ito. First offender is a judicial or executive officer. Judicial or executive officer po ang included dito. Kung under legislature yung public officer, hindi ito yung crime na nakomit niya. Second, there is judgment, decision, or order of a superior authority. Third, such judgment, decision, or order was made within the scope of the jurisdiction of the superior authority and issued with all the legal formalities. And fourth, offender without any legal justification openly refuses to execute the said judgment, decision, or order, which he is duty-bound to obey. Example, si Juan ay employee ng BIR. Tinanggal siya for alleged misconduct. Nag-appeal ngayon sa civil service si Juan. Later, may decision ang civil service na wala siyang ginawang misconduct and thus the civil service ordered na i-reinstate or ibalik sa trabaho si Juan. Despite yung decision ng Civil Service Commission, ayaw siyang ibalik sa trabaho ng HR ng BIR. Yung HR ng BIR ay liable for open disobedience. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.